Hi, my name is Michelle Kazmarek and I teach art at Alief Kerr High School. I want to speak to you about the upcoming bond for Alief Fine Arts. Within Fine Arts, we teach over 11 different content areas, serve over 84% of the student population. That's 35,000 kids. Visual arts is important, and as an Alief grad, I know that. I went to Alexander Elementary and took art, Holub Middle School and took art, and Kerr High School and took art. I came back to Alief to teach to recreate those special connections and experiences I had as a student. Alief students are incredible, especially within visual arts. The amount of awards and accolades within art is mind-blowing. What's shocking is that most campuses function with equipment and facilities that are over 20 years old. This bond will help provide new equipment and facilities that is equitable, safe, and at an industry standard compared to the other districts around Alief. Early voting starts October 18th. Thank you.